when you're floating for the last section, okay, you gotta make sure this thing is clean and dry. Then you start going again slowly. Slowly.
All right, today's another day. Today we're gonna finish this side section here. As you see, we're gonna prime it and finish coat. Let's dive into the video. By the end of this video, I'm pretty sure you will learn something, so stick around till the end of it. If you have any question, any thought, leave them down in the comment section. Come and have some fun with us. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to do this now. I can just run off a little piece so I can go and float it, and then after it, I'll show you how to do it. I'm probably gonna have to go over it more than one time.
Same thing on one house.
Yeah. And the thing is because
it's quick money.
inside
You got too much.
access too. That's the thing.
They just want to sell their product.
No, I didn't hear from them.
Because these guys, all the cement they use is coming from the US. It's gonna go to Finland.
Yeah, to me it's close by. That's Google to me. Huh? Okay. You know, we actually choose the right one, Emma, because this sun is still out and this one same way. I don't think you need a this empty.
No, I still got like more than half.
The one here is more bigger though. My wall up here was bigger than yours.
Yeah, I know.
Look at this.
Yeah, sir.
I'll take one to the granite again. Come give me a hand with the phone.
So I'm putting what's the camera?
Alright, just put that on
That
tripod.
one is good. One is
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. What? Well, I'm coming.
Things to a small one straight to dry in it and just cut the outside instead of go back over it because you only left mark on it.
Ryan, come and do the joint.
small knife, the cooking knife.
You pan left yourself.
Yeah, I use it.
No, it's not.
You pan left, Aldi?
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Bir şaşaya mı kaldı?
Huh?
Come back.
It's better.
Hey. Come there.
Huh?
Go up and down is better. Up and down. And then look. Just keep going towards the right. Like that. Yeah, see my boy? Good? See my boy?
Yeah, man.
Come on, look.
Yeah,
Yeah, see? He's a master. It's okay, man. Who cares? Yeah, man. So when you're floating for the last section, okay, you gotta make sure this thing is clean and dry. Okay, then you start going again slowly. And voila, that's it. 1 kb construction, huh?
yeah, man.
Best in town. All your stucco stone with full exterior. Ryan probably gonna cut all this part, huh?
No way.
First thing, once it's all applied, you gotta float it up and down. Keep going and going. And our goal is to get rid of all of these, the travel marks. All of this. Keep on going, then what do? You clean. You clean, and you go one more time. Right there. See the difference? Finished, unfinished. That's it. Easy as that. I'm really good at this stuff, eh?
I know.
Right?
Pro. You're the pro.
Master of Stucco. Maybe one day we'll do Drake's house, huh? Who
One
knows?
day. Who knows?
Who knows?
Do you ring that still?
Yeah, man. But I put the water.
Okay, I gotta cut 15 minutes from you. 15 minutes gone. Ryan's not gonna pay you 15 minutes. Chris, who's better? Ryan or me?
Both of you guys are pro. What's wrong with you, man?
You gotta leave it.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.